Let's go for a surprise.
Really?
But not too bad. Not too short. Let's do
Let's
it.
go for it.
We're going on a new road trip. Fully packed. Come with me.
Hey guys, brand new video. I traveled all the way to The Hague. Mireille is here, or I'm here actually.
Yes.
This is your company.
It's my place, yes, indeed.
It's been more than a year.
True.
So about time. We need to do something cool. Ready for it?
Yes.
I posted a poll 2 days ago. 49% for a buzz cut and 35% for a short crop. It says go super short.
At least that's better than the buzz cut.
Is it?
Yeah, it is.
It's pretty long though.
Way too much. Let's go for a surprise.
Really?
But not too bad. Not too short. Let's do
Let's
it.
go for it. There we go. Oh, it's better already. Need to scare you a little.
Thanks a lot.
Isn't it scary not being able to see what's happening?
Completely trust you. Okay.
So... we can do a touch reveal. You can feel the back.
Much better.
Better?
I think so.
Yes. There were two reactions possible. Either
No,
that's short or much better.
it's not done yet, so let's see what the end result is.
You look like a mushroom now.
Oh my
It's very long over here.
Okay.
Super short here. It's a style as well. It's cool.
It is, but not mine.
So,
Oh, je krijgt helemaal niet meer.
oh, yes.
Is het wat?
Oh, dan wil ze toch wel uit.
Ja, tuurlijk.
Goed gaan. Voilà.
More cooking?
Nee. And we're going to turn her around. Even I'm excited because it's always exciting for me as well if you like it.
I hope so.
You ready for it?
Yes, let's
Okay,
go.
let's go. I'll turn you around.
Okay.
There we go. Whoop.
Oh, yes. Much better. Really nice.
It's a completely different person.
Exactly.
I love these short bangs.
Way shorter.
Can you turn a little 360 for the
Yeah?
people at home? Whoop. Super nice. Well guys, that's it. Super cool change. Glad you liked it.
Yeah, definitely.
My heart was pounding as well. I always think it's super scary when we turn around a client and then maybe they say I hate it.
No,
But
it's really good.
You look incredible. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for having me, because we're not in the shop.
Of course, more than welcome.
And see you in the next video.